That thing looking like a snack. Man, damn ready to attack.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am back. So I did a poll on Instagram and I told you guys to wow, I did a poll on Instagram and I asked which video should I do next, and the two were: one, I should try on outfits, and two, assumption video. And the trying on outfits got the most votes, so I'm thinking that's what you guys want to see, and I'm bringing it to y'all today. So outfit number one, you're gonna watch me transform from this outfit to a classy outfit. And the thing I realized with fashion is that if you want to look classy, or the basics of a classic look is always a nice fitting looking blazer. So just watch me. I have this white pants from Boohoo. I bought this pants last year. I'm not sure if they're going to fit me. There's a white leg, it's a white leg fit, and I've lost a lot of weight, but let's see. So far it's not looking too bad, but it's kind of baggy, but it's fine. It's all cool. I'm struggling with the zip. Okay. Whew. Okay. So I just have to fix the dress in here so that doesn't look like it has some lines showing. This white blazer I got from Dubai. I don't remember which place I got it from, but I think I already put makeup there when I was dressing it, but it's fine. But this is how this white blazer looks like, and then I feel like they go together pretty well. This dress top kind of thing, and it's a mesh because you can see it is transparent, it has a flower detail, it's classy, it's giving everything. I have this white pants, very classy, the material is so good, and yeah, when you put it together, honestly, looks like a very classy look. Outfit numero dos is this one that I really like and I love. So first thing I have done is taken this white top with a V detail. I got this from Mr. Price. This was from Dubai, and the pants are also from Dubai. So this is the thing, because if you can see, these are two blues going on here. This is navy blue, and this is kind of what kind of blue is this? Like a cloudy kind of blue. I don't know if it looks like that on camera. It looks kind of dark on camera, but yeah, I love this fit so well. The pants fit so good, the material is amazing, they are casual, they are classy, and then it has this zipper detail on the sides, and then you close it with these two buckles over here. You look sharp. Okay, so now I have this blazer, same as the other one. It's very classy. The material is different. By that I mean that the material is more quality. The material is very quality. Just don't mind the creases because it's just from the wash, and I have not hanged it up for the creases to go away. But yeah, this is how this blazer makes this outfit. Y'all can see why I say the essence of fashion and the classical look is a good blazer. The blazer always just adds some zazz. So with this blazer, it has these three cufflinks, just like the other one. Three cufflinks. It has this over here and this as well. With a blazer like this that is symmetrical, that it sits by itself. You don't need to close it, so it just does well wearing it like this. So yeah, this is how the outfit looks. And the second look that I'm doing, I have this biker jacket, this snakeskin biker jacket. Same again, Sunday best. If you know me from Instagram, you've seen this jacket. If you know me in person, you've seen it. I mean, if you invest so much money in such pieces, you have to wear it.
Money thing, money thing.
You want long braids, but they are so stressful to wear clothes with. Man, this is too much. Hey, what? Christ. Anyways.
Oh my god.
You look so stylish, especially if you're going to a nice event that requires you to dress up. You're going to meet the fashion gurus. This will make you really stand out, or just mesh well with the fashion gurus, because it is doing the most. The thing is, you have to be simple, but get in one piece that's doing the most, man, and you're going to look so fashionable. I have this dress. It is so tight. This is the type of outfit when you go out to eat, you just starve yourself. Although one thing y'all don't know about me is I'm not a fan of wearing dresses, but here and there I just wear them. Such a mysterious dress. I love that it has a see-through lace up here, and let me tell you, the material is expandable. So yeah, it's a midi dress, it's not a mini dress. It goes just it goes just down to the knee, and this is how gorgeous, elegant it looks. And I've decided to pair it up with this blue blazer that is also a mid blazer, because it is long. It's a bit long than the other blazers. I don't know if it's going well with what I'm wearing, but I just feel like it's a luxurious mix of blues. So I really thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you are new, please make sure you subscribe, like if you may, share to your friends, and we will see y'all later. Also, I will see y'all later. So stay lit and positive always. Bye.